Welcome back everyone. In this video I will show you how to quickly clean and protect your battery terminal from corroding like this. This is going to be pretty straightforward, so let's jump right in. You can see the corrosion in blue underneath this cover, so it's getting pretty bad at this point. It's in powder form, and if there's enough of it, it can prevent the terminal from making contact with the battery post, leaving you stranded. Luckily this is a very easy fix, and I'm going to apply something to the battery post to prevent it from happening too quickly in the future. First, let's remove the terminal. You want to start with the negative terminal no matter what. So if you need to get to the positive terminal, you need to remove the negative terminal first. If yours is like mine, you can just remove the negative terminal and not worry about the positive. Mine is secured with an 8mm nut, but I do not have to fully remove it. I'm just going to loosen it and then I should be able to pull off the terminal. You may need to wiggle the terminal a little bit to help break it free, just like that. Now you want to push the terminal to the side and make sure it doesn't try to work its way back to the battery post. As you can see, the terminal wants to go that way, so we need to find a way to hold it in place. And in order to keep it secured, I placed my drive wrench between the battery and the wires. Then I wedged the bottom of the wrench right here. This held it perfectly, but I want to be clear, you can use anything. Even a wire or a string to hold it back, just as long as the terminal doesn't make contact with the battery post, you will be fine. Now you can use a wire brush like I'm using, or you can buy one of these battery posts and terminal cleaning tools. My tool is currently hanging out with my 10mm socket, so I had to use a wire brush instead. There's really nothing special about this part of the process. Just remove all of the corrosion with your brush and then wipe it down with the towel or rag when you're done. And don't forget to clean the terminal too. Try to get as much of it off as you can. A smaller wire brush would probably work better here, but this is still serviceable. Go ahead and wipe everything down one more time and then we can move on. Alright, so if you have some silicone paste like I have right here, this is a great product to put on your terminals. It's a waterproof product, so it will repel moisture and overall will prevent corrosion from forming. This paste is really good and applying it should outlive your battery, so I highly recommend you doing the same even if you don't have corrosion. It's very easy to apply, just make sure you have full coverage on both the terminal and battery post. Once you are done applying it, go ahead and remove the socket wrench and put the terminal back over the battery post. After pushing it down all the way, you will probably see some silicone paste ooze out of the top. I like to wipe it around like this to ensure more coverage. Now you can grab your drive wrench and the 8mm socket and tighten down the nut right here. You don't need to put a lot of force into this, just make sure it's snug. If you are worried it's not tight enough, go ahead and wiggle the wire like this. If the terminal moves too much, then you know you need to tighten down the nut some more. Once that's complete, go ahead and put the cover back on and you are done. See? I told you it'd be a quick video. That's all there is to it. If you found any part of this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss a video from our channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.